My current role is an emergency medical controller in the National Ambulance Service. So at present I am classed as an emergency call taker, so I deal with the 999 calls. It was through one of my friends. He was working as an intermediate care operative, so an emergency medical technician with the National Ambulance Service. He had seen it come up on the internal website and he contacted me and thought maybe I might be interested in it and said, okay, I'll give it a go, and I haven't looked back since. The work that I do is fantastic in the sense that it does contribute a large amount to society. If there's only one person that I have managed to calm down who has been very upset or very distraught about the situation that they're in, if I know I have done that much, then I have absolutely fulfilled my role for that one particular day. Get onto publicjobs.ie. They will send you out notifications if there's any positions becoming available. Have a look at the National Ambulance Service.ie website. It will give you all the information that you need. It will show up the jobs that are coming through, but also publicjobs.ie will send you out the notification via emails if there's any positions becoming available as well. It's very much like filling in your CV just on the HSE National Ambulance Service's own application form. After I filled in my application form, I was contacted and requested to come forward for some assessments. Then I was brought forward for interview. It was all quite quick. From the time I applied in the May, I was offered my job in the beginning of August. When I started my job, my biggest surprise that I came across was how easy it was to fit in the control room. But the atmosphere inside the control room doesn't just stay in the control room, it spills over into your personal life as well, where you always know that the support is there for you. I feel very proud of my role in the public sector. I know at the end of the day when I come home that I have successfully completed my 12-hour roster in work and that I have helped somebody on the other end of the phone. So for ourselves in the control centre, we are based across 2 control sites. One is in Tallaght, one is in Ballyshannon in County Donegal. If you become part of the public sector, there is loads of opportunities for career progression. If you come into the control room, you will start out as an emergency call taker. You will have the opportunity to move over into dispatch. From dispatch, you can move on to the likes of the aeromedical desk, who look after the helicopters. There's plenty of opportunities for progression. There are just a few examples. The public sector, for a lot of people, they think it's quite easy. I'll be honest, not everybody takes to it the way some people do. You will be working day shifts, you'll work night shifts, you'll work odd hours, but in my role, I love it. I find it easy because I love the job that I do.